Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you my Telegram bot called Audio Manipulation Bot. Uh, in this bot, we basically focused on manipulating the audio. So what bot can do? First of all, it has three functionalities. Uh, first, first is reversing the audio. It's gonna be very funny to hear when you reverse your voice, and then change the speed of the audio. You can scale it up, scale it down. You can play around on this, and also add background environment. So guys, it's my repository for this Telegram bot. What you have to do is just to clone this repository and create your virtual environment. If you're using Windows, you're gonna do this step. If you're using Mac OS or Linux environment, Ubuntu, you're gonna do this step. Then there is a file requirements.txt. You just need to install requirements by using this command pip install -r requirements.txt. Then you need to fix the path. Here my static path for my temporary files to save some sound and pictures, graphs of the users. So you have to create like data folder, pictures folder, result folder, sound effect, and temp. Of course, I didn't upload it to the GitHub. You just need to create it yourself and play around code. So first of all, what bot is doing? Bot is illustrating some audio manipulation techniques using audio segment with PyDub library. Here, basic manipulations is illustrated in the audio.py file. So for reversing the sound, this one, and then for speed change, this one, and then for background effect. So main manipulation is going in the app.py file, because Telegram, for the Telegram bot manipulation, I use the Telebots. This is quite popular for creating your own Telegram bot. So first of all, we are gonna create some buttons and send it to the user. When user hits the start button, message handler message handler will handle this and send this functionalities, these buttons, to the users. So let's see actual work, how it's working. It's running. So let's start. Yep. So actually what this bot can do, so first is reverse audio signal, change speed audio, add background environment. So let's reverse our audio signal. Bot's asking me to send audio. We're gonna record it. So now we are going to record audio, and reversed song should come to me with the graph of my audio. here we go. So this graph illustrates my audio. So here, yeah, that's funny. So let's see change speed of audio. So we can choose whatever we want. Let's slow down our audio. Now I am sending audio with a normal speed. Let's see how it's gonna be slowed down to the 0.4 scale. Yep. Here we go. Let's speed it up. 2.2. So I am speaking so slowly than normal mode, but it have to speed it up. Let's see this. We got it.
So I'm speaking so slowly than normal mode, but it has to speed it up.
Yeah, cool. So let's see the airport mode. It's gonna add background noise, kind of background noise to our audio. So for example, if you choose airport, now I'm on airport, I can talk now. I'll call you later. It's just a test audio. Yep, here we go. Now I'm on airport, I can talk now. I'll call you later. It's just a test audio. Yep, let's see another background. Let's see nature. So it's just a test audio. We're testing background environment for the nature. Let's see this. Yep, here we go. We got our audio. So it's just a test audio. We're testing background environment for the nature. Let's see this. Let's see restaurant. It's test audio for the background sound for the restaurant. Let's see this one. It's test audio for the background sound for the restaurant. Let's see this one. Yeah, it's pretty much everything what I did for audio manipulation with the help of Bode. Let's so if you want to use my code and learn something and work, if you want to add something, for example, if you want to add more background noise, maybe like train station, maybe something another, you have to just modify it here and add this to the data and sound effect, and your file, your background music, and that's all. You can go through code yourself. It's pretty much easy. It's kind of the same structure of code for each functionality. For example, reverse sound effect and speed change effect, and also for background effect. So let's see the background effect, how it's gonna work. When the user clicks to the button of background effect, it's gonna come here. We will initialize the user. So in order to handle multiple users in the same time, in order to do not mess with users, we have to create a users dictionary. So each user is gonna have their own image, their own sound. So this user has this chat ID, and I'm gonna ask choosing the background sound. Here I'm adding like a button and sending that button by this message. And of course, using register next step handler for the function, it's gonna go to background choose function. So it's gonna check first. It will go to here. It will check is sound effect in the list of our sound effects. So does user press the correct button or send some random message? That's why we have to handle this. So if it's that, it will come here. We will assign to particular user, to that user, their background audio in order to be able to use that audio. So we will go then here. We will also handle some message errors. So user can send text message, video message, anything they want, but we need only the voice message of the user. So we are handling it here. Then we are saving the audio of the user to particular location and assigning it to the user audio. So everything we are keeping in the user's dictionary for particular user. Then using audio segment, we are reading the file and we are reading it to the object, and by the background effect, which is here, background effect, we are sending the object here and manipulating it using some inbuilt function of audio segment. So that's everything what I wanted to explain. You just go through code, make it work. First of all, you need to have your own API token. How you get your own API token? In Telegram, you have bot father bot, which is the father of the all bots. You can create your own bot there, and you can manipulate your bot. You will get your token for that bot, and you have to just replace the token here. I created settings.py file, and in there only I have API token, and I'm importing it here and using. So that's everything what I wanted to tell you about. Thank you for your attention.